What are we drawing? A mixer truck. Let's start drawing with round and round wheels. Then the outline. Steering wheel to ride the truck. Ooh, and the main part, the mixer. A few stripes. Are you ready to paint? Black for the steering wheel and glittery light blue for the window. Up next is yellow. Some more glitter. Shiny, shiny. Pink. Yellow. Black. Green. Orange. Red. Yellow. Purple. Green again. Aha! The colorful mixer truck is done. Time to get to the construction site, friends.
Hey kids! Ooh, what time is it? It's time for school! Yay! Let's start by drawing a rectangle for the sign. Do you know how to spell school? Like this. A circle above it for the clock. A triangle roof, rectangle middle, and front door. Some steps. And either side of the roof and the main building. Some windows. 6 windows on each side. It's a big school, you know. We need lots of classrooms. Some detail on the roof. We're adding some tiles. Just do some diagonal lines and then squiggly lines over the top. Right, we are darkening up the border, ready to paint. Let's go for red. Red for our roof, for the front part, of course. And the tiles. This looks really cool. I love it. What's your favourite subject in school? I always really liked science. I love learning about planets and the solar system. Isn't it amazing? Oh, and cooking. Cooking is fun too, don't you think? Maybe your school could have a big playground or even a swimming pool. Think of all the things you could add to your school. Right, let's go for yellow now. We're painting the sides of the building yellow. Going around your rectangular windows carefully. So we're using a small tipped paintbrush to do this. Other side. Yellow and red look great together, don't you think? I'd say they're best friends. And we're done. Let's go for blue windows. Now it looks like nice shiny glass. That's it. Lovely. Gold for the middle part. Carefully painting around the clock and the school sign, of course. So how do we spell school? S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Now brown for our door because it's made of wood. And some green steps. Lovely. And there you have it. Oh look, school's out. It's time to go home. Look at what a cool picture you made. Cool school. Hey kids, guess what? Today we're going to be colouring and drawing a pop-it unicorn. Woohoo! Start with the outline. And if you need to, you can pause the video and do one bit at a time. There we go. Let's do some stripes, horizontal going across from side to side, left to right. And now we're doing the poppers. So lots of circles in between each line. Brilliant! If you want, you could trace around a small circular object. That would make it easier. Brilliant! I wonder how many circles we will need to do all the poppers. Can you count them? Darkening up the border. That will make the colours stand out once we paint or colour it in. Did you manage to count how many poppers there were? How many circles? There are 28 circles. Well done, great counting. So we started with red. We're using a gorgeous glittery paint and a small tipped paintbrush. So we've gone for orange. Doing the circles first. Or you could just paint over the whole lot if you want it to be the same colour. Or why not use two different shades? One for the circles and one for the parts around the circles. Brilliant! Let's go for yellow. We're fading out here. Red to gold to yellow. Getting paler as we go. Lovely. What colour should we do next? Do you have a favourite colour? You can choose all your own favourite colours. You don't have to do the same as this. We're going to keep it yellow for the next one too. 2 layers of yellow, just like 2 layers of red. Green for the next part. That's right, because this is the neck of the unicorn going into the body. Lovely bright green that is. Blue. Very nice. You see how the colours are fading into one another? It's just like a rainbow. And what colour shall we do the last layer? Purple, what a great choice. Purple is my favourite colour. What's yours? This unicorn's looking amazing, don't you think? And we're done! Woohoo! There you have it, get poppin'! It's a pop-it unicorn disco!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!